Imagine turning your passion for beauty into a thriving online business without breaking the bank. From finding your niche to mastering digital marketing, we've got all the tips and tricks you need. Stay tuned to the end to learn how you can launch your dream business and start earning from the comfort of your home. 1. Finding your niche. The beauty industry is vast, so finding a specific area to focus on will help you stand out. Whether it's organic skincare, vegan makeup, or anti-aging products, choose a niche that aligns with your passion and market demand. Research trends on platforms like Google Trends, social media, and beauty forums to understand what consumers are looking for. Your niche will define your brand and guide your product selection and marketing efforts. 2. Sourcing products. If you're starting with little to no money, consider dropshipping. Dropshipping allows you to sell products without holding inventory. Partner with suppliers who will handle storage, packaging, and shipping for you. Websites like AliExpress, Oberlo, and Spocket offer a wide range of beauty products suitable for dropshipping. Make sure to order samples first to ensure the quality meets your standards. Another option is creating homemade products if you have the skills and knowledge. This can be more cost-effective and allow you to offer unique items. 3. Creating your brand. Your brand is your identity in the market. It's how customers will recognize and remember you. Start by designing a logo and choosing a color scheme that reflects your niche. Tools like Canva and Adobe Spark can help you create professional designs for free or at a low cost. Next, write a compelling brand story that communicates your mission and values. This will help build a connection with your audience. Make sure your branding is consistent across all platforms, including your website, social media, and packaging. 4. Building your online store. Platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and BigCommerce make it easy to set up an e-commerce site without any coding knowledge. Choose a clean, user-friendly theme that matches your branding. Include high-quality images and detailed descriptions for each product. Don't forget to set up payment gateways like PayPal and Stripe to process transactions. Offering multiple payment options can increase your chances of making a sale. Also, make sure your website is mobile-friendly, as many consumers shop on their phones. 5. Marketing your products. Marketing is crucial to attracting customers and driving sales. Start by leveraging social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok to showcase your products. Create engaging content, such as tutorials, before and after photos, and customer reviews. Collaborate with influencers in your niche to reach a wider audience. You can offer them free products or commission-based partnerships. Another effective strategy is email marketing. Collect email addresses through your website and send regular newsletters with updates, promotions, and beauty tips. Tools like MailChimp and ConvertKit can help you manage your email campaigns. 6. SEO and content marketing. To attract organic traffic to your website, invest time in SEO, search engine optimization. Start by researching keywords related to your niche using tools like Google Keyword Planner and Ahrefs. Incorporate these keywords into your product descriptions, blog posts, and website content. Content marketing is another powerful tool. Create a blog on your website and publish articles about beauty tips, product reviews, and industry trends. This not only boosts your SEO but also positions you as an authority in your niche. Remember to share your blog posts on social media to drive traffic back to your site. 7. Utilizing marketplaces. In addition to your own website, consider selling your products on online marketplaces like Amazon, eBay, and Etsy. These platforms already have a large customer base, which can help you reach more potential buyers. Each marketplace has its own set of rules and fees, so research them thoroughly before listing your products. Optimize your product listings with high-quality images, detailed descriptions, and relevant keywords to improve your visibility and increase sales. 8. Managing finances. Proper financial management is crucial to the success of your cosmetic business. Keep track of all your expenses, including product costs, shipping fees, and marketing expenses. Use accounting software like QuickBooks or Wave to manage your finances and generate reports. Set a budget for each aspect of your business and stick to it. As your business grows, consider reinvesting your profits into marketing, product development, and scaling your operations. Regularly review your financial performance to identify areas for improvement and make informed decisions. 9. Legal considerations. Running a cosmetic business comes with legal responsibilities. Start by registering your business and obtaining any necessary licenses or permits. Check the regulations for cosmetics in your country, such as ingredient restrictions and labeling requirements. It's also a good idea to get liability insurance to protect yourself in case of any legal issues. If you're selling homemade products, ensure that your production process meets health and safety standards. Consult with a legal professional to ensure you're fully compliant with all regulations. Starting a cosmetic business online with little to no money is challenging but entirely possible with the right strategies. By finding your niche, sourcing quality products, creating a strong brand, and leveraging digital marketing, you can build a successful business. Remember, consistency and perseverance are key. Keep learning, adapting, and growing. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Boss Tips, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Share your journey or any questions in the comments below. Let's achieve business success.